What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Texas Honda Channel, one of the most awesome channels on YouTube. Just kidding. But anyways, we're going to Budget Wrench Apart in Belton, Texas, which is right up here. We're getting a short gear B000 transmission. Now, what that means is it's a short gear transmission. If you see the stamp B000 by the oil drain or the oil fill tube on the transmission, then it's a short gear. A000 are the longer gears, such as DX, LX, CX, HF. But yeah, so we're getting an EX or an SI transmission. It's a short gear one. It's out of a D16 Y8, and the reason I choose the Y8 is it has steel shift forks, where the Z6 has aluminum. Now, the Z6 and the Y8 transmissions are virtually identical other than that fact, and the final drive on the Z6 is different than the Y8, but both have short gears and both accelerate really quick. Both transmissions, in my opinion, are really good. So if they don't have a Y8, I'll be getting a Z6, because either way, they're what I'm looking for. So this is definitely going to help make the Civic accelerate a lot faster. My 0 to 60 and my 0 to 120 is going to be really fast compared to what it's at right now. So going out here, we're here at Budget, so we'll get in here and then I'll explain some more. So we're out here. Ooh, there's a manual. It's a B7 though. I know the silver car is around here somewhere because I seen it not too long ago. I swear it was right here. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Okay, hopefully the trans is still there. Yes, jackpot. We're gonna make sure it's good. It spins good. Okay, so most of this is already removed. It looked like someone went out here to get it and just gave up or something. So I'm gonna see exactly what we need. I should have brought a cart. This will work. Okay. Alright, so we got to see exactly what all we need. Got, well, this one's already gone, so that's a 19 already gone. There's two 19s back here on the back side at the bottom. 3 17s and a 17 here. This is already disconnected. I should probably actually buy this. I need an extra torque mount up front. I'm probably going to keep the shift fork. The throw-up bearing's gone, but I have a brand new one. Shift linkage is already disconnected, so this ain't going to take very long, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get some tools. Start with the 19s. All right, I'm probably going to have to get in here. Well, that's that. Nice. Everything's looking good. Only one way to know if it really works is put it in and find out. So we'll go ahead and get out of here. No shaft play at all, like zero shaft play. That's very good. This might be a good transmission. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see that, but it says B000 right here. That's where you want to look. If it says A00, it's longer gears. If it says B00, it's shorter gears. But yeah, everything's looking good on there. So, but yeah, that was a super simple pull. I thought I was going to be out here for hours and only been out here a couple minutes. So I'll probably come back for this lower torque mount. I do need it. It does help a lot with putting the power to the ground. I know I have solids, but every extra bit of torque I can get, I'll take. I'll come back for that because I don't have enough money to get that and all this. So well, that was easy. I already have a speed sensor. I have 2 of them at home. So I'm gonna take this off so I don't get charged for that. I'll take this bracket off, take that bracket off, take this sensor out because they will try to charge you for all of it. So awesome. I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this back up to the front. Well, look at those. Set of 4 wheels right there. 16 by 7, 4 by 100. Wow. That's a good find. They look good all the way around. I know that one's a little different than these, but wow, still a really good find. I'd probably take 2 of those and throw some drag tires on it or something. We're gonna go look over here. What we got here? Y7 auto. Nice. J series. Oh man, J30 A4. I really think a turbo would look real cool right here, just and then one on the back. Everything looks about the same as it was before, so I don't think there's anything new out here. So we'll just go ahead and go pay for this and see how much it is. All right, so now we gotta go back it up and go grab it. So. Now it's paid for. It ended up being $147 with no core, which I will be bringing a core back and getting about 35 to 40 bucks back on the core. So pretty happy with today's little junkyard run. I also went live, if you guys didn't know, in between getting out here and stuff. But yeah, so we'll get back to the house. I'm gonna start the car up, and it's getting kind of dark, so it'll probably be, well, I guess I have a light. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to the house. I'll start the car up and let you guys hear. Now, what you're about to hear sounds like a rod knock, but it is not a rod knock. It is inside the transmission. So it drives great. It just doesn't shift as good as it used to. So there's that. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit some VTEC for you. I love the way this J35 sounds. Sounds so crazy. It's not super fast or anything, but I need to put a turbo on it and make it super fast. Goals for the future. What are the odds that I would just come back from the junkyard and Casey would pull up next to me? Nice. Yeah, his clutch is toast too, but at least his transmission's good. Heck yeah. Well, we got the transmission. Purple power. We'll be cleaning this up in a minute, but I want to show you this real quick. So I did want to show you my backlighting real quick. I ended up putting LED bulbs in just because I figured I do the blue backlighting with some white overlighting, and I think it looks really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this up. Now it will sound like a rod knock, but I'll go over all that in just a moment, so. All right. As I'm sure you can hear, it has a quite awful sound to it, but it's coming from the transmission side of things, and the higher in the RPMs I go, it gets a little bit quieter. So listen. Okay, it may be hard to hear on camera. I'm not exactly sure how it sounds on camera, but we'll go take it around the block so I can show you what I'm talking about. But when you're going through the gears, the noise is so much quieter, it like goes away. And then when you go to idle, it makes this noise. I've also undone the valve cover, inspected everything. Everything looks good, so I'm really confident that it's inside the transmission that's the issue. And either way, it's a stock Y7 head, stock internals, stock Y7 block, stock internals. So 19 pounds of boost. Even if it blew it up, I really wouldn't be too mad because, well, it's stock. But it's not blown up. She's still doing good, and I still daily her. So I'm gonna go take it around the block for you. Aside from the vibrations from the solid mounts, you can't hear any knocks or anything when you accelerate. So it is harder to shift gears than normal. They like to want to grind now when I go to put them in. That's probably from the burnt clutch, the 6-puck stage 3, but I think this transmission is pretty much done for. But yeah, I mean, the engine still runs perfectly fine. The engine itself isn't knocking, so it's still good enough to daily. So we're gonna get that Vitera build done and put it in with the short gear transmission. So it still pulls really good, and I'm really happy with it. But yeah, the engine's holding up really good still. It's just that transmission that's the issue. So now that we got a short gear transmission right here, we should be good to go. I'm gonna clean it up. I like to use this high strength Purple Power. Now it makes up to 20 gallons, and I like to use this for the pressure washing the driveway. But yeah, you can dilute it, put it in a spray bottle, spray it on here, and it works really good. Or you can use some easy off oven cleaner, which either method works pretty good. I did want to actually try some of this CRC heavy duty pro strength degreaser. I don't remember exactly who said it, but someone messaged me on Instagram and told me to try it, so I'm gonna go and give it a shot. If you are the one that said it, definitely leave a comment below. But yeah, I'm also gonna try it on the driveway to try and get some oil stains up and stuff like that. But I'll try it on here too. But this transmission's definitely good. From what I can feel, at least, this thing's so solid. So I'll get this cleaned up, and then we'll paint this thing silver, just using Rust-Oleum's aluminum paint. I don't clear it or anything like that, but if you did use a 2K clear, it would just look that much better. But yeah, I'm not going to do that in this video, so you'll have to stay tuned for the next one. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and before you get off this video, that garage is going to be doing a powder coat product giveaway, so you'll have to definitely check out Aubrey's channel at That Garage. Link will be in the description. Go over there on his video of him powder coating his traction bar or chassis brace, whatever it is. He was powder coating red. Definitely go to that video, watch it, and see the contest rules. But if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing, like the video, drop a comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. So I'll see you guys then. God bless.